Hi preschool friends, it's Miss Renee. We are going to do math lesson 4, and we are going to talk about things that we can match together, that are used together. So our statement is, I can match two objects that are used together. Before we get started, we're going to do our I have two chant. All right, so I want you to count to 2 with me. I'm going to do it 2 times. I have 2 eyes. 1, 2. I have 2 ears. 1, 2. I have 2 hands. 1, 2. I have 2 legs. 1, 2. I have 2 feet. 1, 2. Yahoo! And so do you. All right, let's do it again. You join me. I have 2 eyes. 1, 2. I have 2 ears. 1, 2. I have 2 hands. 1, 2. I have 2 legs. 1, 2. I have 2 feet. 1, 2. Yahoo! And so do you. Good job. So I have a picture of a cup and a straw, and I'm thinking of a way that the cup and the straw can be matched together. But they don't look the same at all. I wonder, how do they match? The cup you can use to drink and the straw you can use to drink. They can be used together. Although they're different, they can be used together. They match because I use them together. Let's look at something different. I have watercolor paints and a paintbrush. How do they match? Although they are different, they are used together. They match because I use them together to paint. All right, the last one I have is a crayon and a piece of paper. How do they match? The crayon can be used to color on the paper. So although they're different things, they are used together. They match because I use them together to draw. So here I have some pictures of things. They are all different, but some of them can be used together. What about the ball? What can I use together with the ball? The plate? No. The bat? Yes. The ball and the bat go together because they can be used together. What about the shovel? With the pail, that's right, you use the shovel and the pail together and the sandbox. How about the fork? Can I use the fork with the bat? No. How about the fork with the plate? I can use the fork with the plate. They can be used together, so they match because they are used together. Good job working hard on matching things that can go together. We'll see you next time.